Pete here. So I just got a new Yoshimura R-77 exhaust system, and I'm going to be installing it on my 2013 Honda CBR250R. We're going to get rid of this old thing that came with it. It doesn't look too bad, but it's kind of heavy and it doesn't sound that great. So we're going to switch it up. I have a stainless steel Yoshimura R-77 with a carbon fiber tip, and sit tight and we'll get this thing changed out. Step one, we've got to take the Allen bolt out to release this lower fairing. It's going to be a 5mm Allen key. You see that comes out and just loosens that up to give us some access space. Next up, take an 11mm socket and put it on the bolt that is the tailpipe clamp that's on the exhaust pipe. Okay. And that comes out like so. Next up, we're going to take this one off. This is the exhaust pipe mount. And this is also going to be an 11mm. And may need another wrench to catch the backside there. Backside one's going to be a 12mm. There it is. Got a 12mm crescent or spanner wrench, and just grab onto the backside there. Now you're going to want to make sure to keep the stock bolt here and nut, because you're going to be reusing that. Now, since we've got those two bolts loose, we're just going to pry off the old pipe. And came off super easy. So there it is. That's the old pipe. It weighs a ton. I think it's about 15 to 20 pounds. So set this aside. Now I've got the old pipe off. One thing I'm going to do that none of the videos I see online do is let you hear the sound of the bike with no muffler on it at all. So give me a second. no pipe. That'll wake the neighbors. Here's my new pipe. It's the Yoshimura R-77 stainless steel with carbon fiber tip. See, carbon fiber. So it comes with a silencer that you can insert in the tip. I'm not putting that in yet. We'll see how it is once we get it installed. So to install it, see, it comes with this, and then you just take the pipe clamp that came with the kit, pipe clamp, you set it over the exhaust. Make sure you have access to it though, so you can screw it in. And then you fit it over the stock. Actually, take that back. Before you do that, let me show you something. Okay, see that stock steel ring gasket that's on the end of the pipe there, the manifold? That we're not reusing, so we have to find a way of knocking that off. Well, I got it off. It wasn't easy, and it didn't want to come off in one piece. You see, it's all messed up. We're not going to be reusing it, so it's not a problem. So you just fit the new pipe over the stock manifold, and then you're going to want to position this . Just get everything finger tight so you can adjust it, make any final adjustments as needed. So once you get everything sort of starting to tighten down, check the torque specifications and get your torque wrench out. Yoshimura recommends that you tighten the mounting clamp bolt to 10 foot-pounds. So I've got my torque wrench here. We're going to set it at 10 foot-pounds. 10 pounds of torque. Okay, just a few more steps. We've got everything mounted and torqued down properly. The last step they recommend before they before you restart your motor and hear what the exhaust sounds like, you want to wipe down all the surfaces here with some rubbing alcohol to remove any fingerprints and stuff. You don't want it tarnishing all your newly installed really nice shiny stainless steel when the fingerprint oils will heat up. So just quick little rub down with some rubbing alcohol. Get all the fingerprints. That might have been left behind. Alright. So I've got it torqued down a bit more. Don't feel any more exhaust leaks coming out of the connection here. Letting it run, letting it heat up a bit. Definitely sounds a whole lot different from the stock exhaust. Alright, if you see a little smoke still coming out of the exhaust there, there's some residue inside the pipe, and that has to burn off. So that's normal. If you read Yoshimura's instructions, that's completely normal. So I'm going to turn it back on and let it cook a little bit more.